Hey everyone, what's up? You ever get that feeling? You know, that kind of restless energy, like you're just itching to do something, anything, but the couch has you in a headlock. Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, boredom, it's not a stop sign, it's like a flashing green light saying adventure this way. So buckle up because I'm about to share 4 ways to turn that boredom into something epic. Feeling bored, stuck in the same routine? Well, it's time to break free and turn your boredom into an adventure. Here are 4 exciting things you can do when boredom strikes. Alright, first things first, we gotta shake things up. Sometimes the best cure for boredom is to literally get those feet moving. Now, I'm not talking about some crazy marathon here, just a simple walk around the block. You'd be surprised what you start to notice when you actually pay attention. Maybe there's a cool little shop you've never seen before, or a park you've been meaning to check out. But hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, why stop there? Jump in the car, no plan, just pick a direction and go. Trust me, the open road, it calls to you, man. It's like this whole other world opens up, full of weird roadside attractions, and those hole-in-the-wall diners with the best milkshakes ever. You never know what you'll find, and that's the best part. Okay, so maybe road trips aren't your thing, but that doesn't mean you can't explore. Sometimes adventure is just around the corner, literally. Ever walk past a cafe a million times and think, wonder what that place is like? Well, boredom is the perfect excuse to find out. Grab a book, order yourself something delicious, and just soak in the atmosphere. You never know, you might discover your new favorite spot. Or if you're more of a nature person, parks are like these hidden oases in the middle of everything. Find a bench, listen to the birds. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain. And hey, if you're feeling like a dose of culture, museums are where it's at. History, art, science, whatever your jam is, there's a museum out there just waiting to blow your mind. Chapter 3. Look up. Now this one might sound a little out there, but trust me on this. When was the last time you actually looked up at the night sky? I'm talking about really looked past the city lights at all those stars. It's seriously mind-blowing. Grab a blanket, find a nice quiet spot away from all the light pollution, and just lie down and stare. You'll feel tiny in the best way possible. And who knows, maybe you'll catch a shooting star, or see a planet you didn't even know you could see. There's something about the vastness of space, you know, it puts everything into perspective. It's like a reminder that there's so much more out there than what we see every day, and that sense of wonder. That's what adventure is all about. Chapter 4. Comedy Gold. Alright, this last one is for those of you who are feeling brave, ready to step outside that comfort zone a bit. Ever been to an open mic night, or a stand-up comedy show? The energy is insane. It's like this electric feeling in the air. Everyone's there for a good time, and you never know what's going to happen next. Maybe you'll see a comedian you end up loving, or maybe, just maybe, you'll be the one up on stage making everyone laugh. Even if you bomb, hey, at least you tried something new, right? And who knows, you might even surprise yourself. Sometimes the scariest things are the ones that turn out to be the most rewarding. So there you have it, 4 boredom busters that'll have you saying goodbye, couch, in no time. Life's too short to be bored, you know? There's a whole world out there just waiting to be explored. So next time you're feeling that restless energy, don't ignore it, embrace it. Get out there, try something new, have some fun. And hey, if you end up trying any of these out, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your adventures. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're ready to say yes to adventure, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Until next time, stay adventurous. Life is full of adventures just waiting to happen. So next time you're bored, don't waste another second. Get out there and explore. Hit that like button if you're ready for your next adventure, and subscribe for more fun ideas.